There's a new bubble tea. It's called Hoppings and Tea. And the unique thing about this bubble tea is you can choose everything, and it's all you can eat, and all you can choose in one cup. And there is a small, medium, and very on both sides, junior, original. Let's see. Pineapple, green apple jelly, rainbow jelly, tomato, strawberry jelly, passion fruit. All these. Can choose any of these animated, all kinds of teas here. You can just put everything if you want to. So grapefruit, green tea, watermelon juice, lychee, yogurt, green tea, honeydew milk, taro, mango, green tea, and everything. All the tea. Australia first DIY bubble tea, and it is called Hoppings and Tea. What is that?
You can add this form.
Oh, you can add cheese form. Why additional price or not? No?
All included. Dalam bosnya.